Welcome to video number 241 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, you're going to see the suffix a, which when added to a verb or a noun, it will give a different flavor and meaning to a sentence. But wait, you might have already learned the suffix a like povangala, sonnangala in video number 240. Which would give the meaning it seems. But it can also give an entirely different meaning, which is what we are going to see in this video. To watch the construction of it seems phrase, please click the link on top right, or you can search for video number 240. Apart from it seems or seems so, can also mean imagine that or suppose, in case, which you normally use at the beginning of a phrase in English. Imagine that this boy wants to go trekking alone in the forest. Now he goes to his father to get permission. What do you think the father will say?
திடீர்னு மழை வந்துருத்தான். அப்போ ஒரு யானை முன்னாடி வருதான். என்ன பண்ணுவேன்?
திடீர்னு மழை வந்துடுதான். அப்போ ஒரு யானை முன்னாடி வருதான். என்ன பண்ணுவ? So in case it started to rain and imagine there comes an elephant suddenly, what will you do? So here it's more of suppose if this or that happens, and this is where we use திடீர்னு மழை வந்துடுதான். அப்போ ஒரு யானை முன்னாடி வருதான். என்ன பண்ணுவ? So imagine if this happens or if that happens, what will you do? So it's an if statement. Here there are two things for you to notice. Let's break the phrase to two, since there are two if statements. Mara vandadutha means if it started to rain. By vandadutha, you are using the past to construct the if. Yana varudha, if an elephant comes. Here it is present to construct an if. So if you do a few phrases yourself, it's an easy one to do. So try doing a few phrases in the comment and I will correct it. We have also seen one another if statement in a much earlier video. It is video number 64. You'll find that in the description.
Oh, பிட் எடுக்க போறியா? திடுதிப்புன்னு ஃப்ளைங் ஸ்குவாட்ஸ் வந்துட்டாங்களாம். சமாளிப்பியா?
Oh, bit அடிக்க போறியா? You know that? Some of you might have done it in the exams. A small tiny paper, minute scribbled formulas on it. Well, you remember it now. திடுதிப்புன்னு flying squad வந்துட்டாங்களா? சமாளிப்பியா? So suppose all of a sudden there came the flying squads. Can you manage? Hope you are able to understand it. This vandatangala, just if they came.
Oh, பிட் எடுக்க போறியா? திடுதிப்புன்னு ஃப்ளைங் ஸ்குவாட்ஸ் வந்துட்டாங்களாம். சமாளிப்பியா?
யாருமே வீடு அப்புறம் வாங்கலையாம். முதலீடெல்லாம் போச்சு தானே? So it's a friend who is against another friend investing in house property because of poor resale value for real estate nowadays. யாருமே வீடு வாங்கலையாம். முதலீடெல்லாம் போச்சு தானே? So suppose nobody buys the house, the investment is all waste, right? So these types of phrases come easy with a little practice. You can check video 64 to learn another if statement and video 240 learn it seems using the suffix a. This helps you to connect various formats as you learn. Here are some vocabularies for you to learn. And here's the construction of a suffix to help you.